Hi YouTube. What you've been watching for the last 2 minutes is the Duraflame Spectrifier fireplace, but this is a review on this. This is the Comfort Smart Fire Crackler. This is what's been making the sound of the crackling fireplace. It's about $20 to $30 on Amazon. And it's very, very small, as you can see. It fits in the palm of your hand. It takes 3 AAA batteries, which come with the unit. Turn it on. Speaker is in the front, and it has 3 levels. Press this big button. It gets louder, medium, and low. What I do is I place this battery-operated fireplace sound machine behind the fireplace, somewhere behind a picture on the mantle, and everybody loves it. If you put it on low, you can watch TV and still hear the crackling of your fireplace, even though it's an electric fireplace. Have a great day.